The equipped toolkit is what needed to replace the lock cylinder on battery, and we only need the Phillips screwdriver. Loosen the 8 box screws. Then the 2 lock cylinder screws. Open the upper half of the battery box carefully, just like shown in the video. There are 2 cables connected between the circuit boards. Do not break them. This is the lock cylinder to be replaced, and it is glued with other parts. Push the latch below, and then the keyhole to get it out. Now install the new lock cylinder. Get it through the keyhole first. It can move back and forth. This is what it should be like when the latch is set. And here is another angle of view. We suggest that silicone glue be applied to fix its position like before. An alternative is adhesive tape, which also works before we tighten the 2 screws later. Install the upper half of battery box tightly. Then the 2 lock cylinder screws. The latch should be almost flat to the surface. Tighten the 8 box screws. Reminder again, make sure the 2 halves of the battery box are tightly connected before this step. Test the key. Well done.